Before you start buying Bitcoin or Ethereum, there's something even more important you need to figure out: where to store it. Choose the wrong wallet, and your crypto could be gone in seconds. But don't worry, in this video, we're breaking it all down in under 5 minutes. Let's start. A crypto wallet doesn't hold your actual coins, it stores your private keys. These keys are proof that you own your crypto. Whoever has the keys owns the crypto. So, securing those keys is everything. That's where wallets come in, divided into two main types: hot wallets and cold wallets. Hot wallets are connected to the internet. These include mobile apps, browser extensions, or even wallets provided by exchanges. Some examples are Trust Wallet and MetaMask. They're easy to use and perfect for quick access, especially if you're trading or using crypto often. But here's the downside: since they're online, they're more vulnerable to hacks, phishing, and malware. Cold wallets are completely offline. This includes hardware wallets, like Ledger or Trezor, and even paper wallets. Cold storage is ideal if you're holding large amounts or don't plan to trade often. Since they're not connected to the internet, they're very hard to hack. Just don't lose your device, or your recovery phrase, or your crypto could be gone forever. If you're new to crypto or trading frequently, a hot wallet might be all you need. It's fast, simple, and easy to access from your phone or desktop. But if you're in it for the long haul, or you're storing serious value, consider a cold wallet. It's the gold standard for crypto security. Many investors use both, a hot wallet for everyday use and a cold wallet for long-term savings. That way, you get the best of both worlds. No matter which wallet you choose, here are a few wallet safety tips. Number 1, never share your seed phrase. Number 2, double-check addresses before sending. Number 3, use strong passwords and 2FA. Number 4, avoid clicking unknown links. And number 5, back up your wallet securely, offline if possible. And that's it. Whether you go hot, cold, or a mix of both, the key is to stay informed and stay secure. Looking for a simple, secure way to start your crypto journey? Head over to www.coinmama.com to start, and don't forget to subscribe for more crypto content.